Welcome back to Tonghash channel. In this video, I will show you how to set DND or Do Not Disturb in your iPhone. First, you can scroll down like this. So the settings appear on your screen, and then you see right here that says focus is the default setting in your iPhone. So you click on that and change it to Do Not Disturb. Actually, we have two methods here. The first is you can just click on that like this until it says on, and whenever you are ready to change it back to default, you can just click it again and turn it off. This way you have to turn it off by yourself, or the second way, you can click on the three dots beside the Do Not Disturb and set for how long the Do Not Disturb is active, such as for only an hour, until this evening, or until I leave this location. So the Do Not Disturb feature will automatically turn off according to your setting. You can also click on Setting and customize the Do Not Disturb feature for more advanced options. And that's all. For summary, the Do Not Disturb actually an excellent feature on iPhone where you can turn off the notifications such as incoming chats, incoming calls, or other notifications so you can focus on something outside of your phone. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video, subscribe for other tutorial videos, and leave your thoughts in the comment.